in today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a video pin for Pinterest. And when you find this out, you are going to be like, what? Come on. Yes, it is that easy, and we are using Canva. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Lorianne, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. Here at It's All Primary, we help teachers with their teacher side hustles. And today we are talking about Pinterest again. And I know so many people are giving up on it. Don't give up, don't give up. Right now, Pinterest is favoring story pins and video pins. And one day I was in Canva, maybe a month ago, and I saw a video pin comment somewhere. And I went, wait, what? And yes, you can make video pins with Canva, and I can't believe how easy it is. And I'm going to show you two, in fact. I'll be turning the camera around in just a minute. Canva, I love Canva. If you have not tried Canva, there's a link down below. Try the free trial. I did that. I clicked on somebody's link about a year ago, switched to free, went back to pro because of just all the templates and everything that's available in the pro. And I use Canva for YouTube thumbnails, Teachers Pay Teacher covers, Boom Learning covers, pins, video pins, IG posts, IG reels. I've even made a PDF that's is part of my opt-in on my website from Canva, and I've made even blog feature images from Canva. I'm in there 3, 4, 5 times a week sometimes, so it is completely worth it to me. So I'm going to turn the camera around, but stick around after I'm finished, because I'm so excited about next Saturday's video, and I want you to be there. I'll catch you after the tutorial. What I've already done in my designs is I've created 2 covers for a set of boom cards that I created this afternoon. So if I go to my designs, so here are the 2 designs that I just made. I made one with a pro background, and I made one with a free, and they both look good, and they're both different because when it comes to pinning, you need to have fresh pins. So this is one I do a lot of, where I just do a background photo and then I just put the title, and then I use an iPad. All of that, this iPad's free. Now, I can't pin this the way it is. I need to resize it, and I want it to be a video pin. So I'm going to go up to resize, and Pinterest pin comes right up. And as you can see, now my pin is too small. So I'm just going to resize some things. And I always put the location somewhere on the pin. I'll just lift this up higher. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to resize it. So let's start with the iPad. Again, this, like I said, this iPad is in the free section. And then I will resize the image, which is just a screenshot from Boom. I go into the previews, play it, and then I take screenshots as I'm doing it. So it's pretty basic. Now, what I want to do is I want to go over to Elements, and I'm going to go up top, and you can start to see them. So I want animated, and let's just do the free for now. And as you can see, I have, well, you'll see a lot. I'm using rabbits because I'm making a lot of spring, so they'll save what I've recently used. But these are all free, and some of them are crazy. And really, you only need a couple images to get it classified as a video pin. So literally, click one, just put it somewhere where it's not covering anything. And let's do a rabbit. Let's do the hopping bunny. Again, and that's it. That's how easy a video pin is. I did a tutorial before with PowerPoint. It was ridiculously long. This is just like seconds. Okay, a couple minutes, but it's just crazy. And then I'm going to reword it, pin. So that classifies as a video pin. How easy. And I don't know if it does this on the free, but on the pro, I can publish it directly to Pinterest. I won't at the moment because there's a couple more things I need to tweak. But when I publish it, I can tell it what board to put it in. It's already coming up as a GIF, so Pinterest knows it's a video pin. I can put the title. The destination goes last. I can schedule it, or I can publish it right now. Let me do another one. I mean, this is just crazy. It automatically saves, so it's already saved. So let me go back here and let's do the other one. So like I said, this one was made with a free background. And again, got to resize it to a pin. And I kind of like, this was very different looking. So I've recently decided to make 2 pins in video for the same product and then just put them to 2 different boards. So again, I'm going to put this down here. This is a standard thing for me. I either put it all together down below or I put this up and that stays down. But that's just how I normally do that. I'm not sure whether that color is the best color, so let's just check change color maybe. It's black. I'll leave it for now. I'll think about the black. But again, I click over to elements and I'm going to do, I found another rabbit somewhere. Where was he? Try to use different video animations. So if I put him right there on the corner of that book, then I need something right here. And I'm not going to do a sun again. If you go scroll up, if I go to free animated, so you can put those filters in. Oh, I was going to do flowers, so you can just search flowers here. Flower, flowers. Okay, and so there's a couple little ones here. But it's very basic and it totally works. They have gone up in Pinterest since I started adding video pins, and I'm only putting in maybe 3 a week. It's not a lot, but it is. I'm going to now increase it. My goal is to get 5 up this week, and with spring break next week, I'm hoping to, there's actually quite a lot in free. Nice. You could spend a few hours just school supplies. I wonder if they've got it. Oh, school. You got school. That's not bad. Actually, maybe that might be better than if I click that one. But anyways, these are schools. These are, whoops. So there's another one done. And so now I've got 2 for that set. I've got a couple more to do. That's it. Yeah? Easy? I know. Unbelievable. Okay, next week's videos. Tuesday's video is going to be a further discussion on copyright and trademarks. I had some questions and I completely missed talking about Google when so many TPT sellers are using Google, and you have to do something with Google. So I forgot to do that. We'll talk about that on Tuesday's video. Saturday's video. Okay, are you ready? I am so excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm very excited. Next Saturday's video is going to be a walkthrough from beginning to upload of a Boom Cards deck. I'm going to be using PowerPoint, and I'm going to upload it. I'm going to make the cover, everything from beginning to end. But this is the exciting part. When I normally upload it, I schedule it for a certain day, a certain time. Next week, I'm going to set it as a premiere. And when you set it as a premiere, you get a live chat happening as it airs for the first time. And so I'm going to be online next Saturday morning. So that will be, what day will that be? I don't know. The 28th or 29th. I'll put the date down below here because I have no idea what it is. But I will be there. I'm going to be online answering any questions you have. I am really excited. I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done this before. I'm hoping there's no technical, sorry, I got a hair. I'm hoping there's going to be no technical difficulties. You can ask me anything in the chat. I'm going to be there. If no one's there, I'll leave after about 10-15 minutes. But if someone is there, come along, invite your friends. Let's watch the video. And, well, you don't even have to watch the video. If you want to just come and ask me questions, go for it. All right? So now that's it. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe and you're being healthy. And we'll see you in the next videos. Take care, everyone.